Hello. In this session, we'll explore data classes, a Python feature that simplifies the creation of classes meant to store data. We'll look at how to define them, how hashing works, how to enforce invariants, and why they make code cleaner, easier to maintain. Data classes. Data classes were introduced in Python 3.7 to reduce boilerplate in simple classes that mainly store data. Normally, we would have to manually write done the init, done the REPR, and done the EQ methods. With data classes, these are generally generated automatically. This makes class definitions much shorter and more focused on what the class represents rather than how it behaves internally. Data classes. To create a data class, we use add data class decorator from the data classes module. For example, the point class shown here has two fields x and y. Once defined, Python automatically provides a constructor strings representations and equality methods. This is perfect for lightweight structures like points, records, or configuration objects. Anything that's essentially a bundle of data. So, how to define a class? Defining data classes involves adding type annotations for each field. While the decorator uses to generate methods, you can also customize behavior using optional parameters. When it false, prevents the auto generation of done the init. REPR equals false, exclude fields from REPR. EQ equals false disables equality comparison methods. Frozen equals true makes instances immutable. These options let you fine tune your data class depending on your design needs. Hash and hashability. Hashability is what allows objects to be used in sets or as a dictionary keys. For immutable data classes, that is, when frozen equals true, Python automatically generates a hash method. For mutable data classes, Python disables hashing by default to avoid inconsistent behavior. If needed, you can enable hashing with unsafe hash equals true or define hash manually. This makes data classes very convenient for scenarios where immutability and hashability are important. Data classes invariants. Invariants are conditions that should always be true for any valid instance of the class. With data classes, we can enforce invariants using post-init, a special method that runs immediately after auto-generated data init. For example, in a person data class, we can check that age is not negative. If it is, we raise an error. This ensures that our data classes remain valid and consistent from the moment they are created. Some data classes significantly reduces the boilerplate of writing simple classes. They automatically generate methods like init, REPR, and equal. With proper settings, they support hashing for use in sets and dictionaries. This is all about data class. Let's meet in the next video.